When you tried to tell your boss you wouldn't have enough time, but she didn't. Listen.
Because how many more do you have that are not? This is so
18.
funny. Okay,
Total,
so
18.
you couldn't fit them all in the car, or they weren't done?
No, they're not done.
Okay.
See, I have 4 of these, which is, I haven't finished this one.
Okay.
Because I still have to make the shape
Right.
from the bottom.
Okay.
I have to place something in the bottom, and then I have to like do another layer.
Okay. Now tell me this.
I got a piece, another piece.
How long, or what if that's what you work on right now, is doing this? You see what I'm saying right now? Doing this so these can dry. Because my next question is, how long do we need to paint? Because what worries me...
The painting is like easy.
But and dry and da-da-da-da, right? Because what worries me is we still have other things to do for other parties. Like, we still have to double stuff balloons, blow up 90 feet of balloons. Like, we have other stuff for other parties we have to do too. And so...
You still need the 18?
Well, no, and maybe we don't. Now that I see how big they are. These are 24?
That's 24s, and this is...
You're taking 18.
This is 17s. I have 4 of these, and 6 of these, and 5 of those.
Did you start making them?
Everything is already done, sister.
Oh, because that's what I was saying. It sounded like you said they weren't.
Well, hold on. I haven't painted them. See? I still have to put, like, I have to shape it. And this is I wanted to bring it to you how I'm doing it.
Right.
To make it for a shape.
Right.
You see that?
Right.
You know?
The shape looks good.
So
I'm wondering, to match the shape, can we do something on the bottom of yours?
Yeah, we are. Like this.
To make it look like that?
Is Angie's still frustrated? Will the design team give up? On the hot air balloons, is something bad going to happen? Find out on the next episode of Crafty Convos.